Are we live?
No, we will tell you. Are we live for us?
Yep.
All right.
Yeah, so this is our presentation, and to start, I'm gonna read like some of the copyright that Marisa wrote, and we didn't implement it on time, but I think it's a good, presentation speech for what we wanted to do, and it's called "Eat Better, Waste Less." So we believe that all of us should do our part to reduce food waste. A small place to start is at home, of course. To help every household reduce their own food waste, we have created this application to help you identify which food item is about to expire with recommendation on how to use these items with a nice receipt. Of course, you're not going to see like all of this that is described now, but we're going to implement it later on. So yeah, it's pretty easy to use this application, and the idea is that like you scan your shopping list and just add the items to the application. And you can also find your items through the search function, of course, and this is what we're going to show you today. So, of course, we have a database with some products inside of it. So you can see that, like, you can search, for example, salta pina, not Swedish, so I'm going to pronounce this as I can understand it. And for now, of course, it shows only some information. It is about the name and like the expiration date, the description, and of course what should be there. And it's going to be there, like it's, for example, the recipe related to this product. And the idea is that like there will be like, for example, even a number of days then actually when the product is not more like edible. So and that will take into consideration even the temperature of the fridge, for example. So depending from that and from when you take it out from the fridge, then you will have like even another field there that will say to you like how many days you have left until you can consume the product. Yeah, I think it's a pretty...
Can I add something?
Sure.
Well, the original idea is that you have an expiry date on your package, right? And this is kind of estimated by extreme safe industry standards. The idea here is that the community, let's say dumpsters or people who are not so, like tested food that they know will make a database out of the experiences that you can vote for. Of course, it's not built, but then you can see like, okay, the food has an expiry date, fine. But these guys say that it can last between this and this date, and then you will see that people voted, that many people agreed, and then you based on other people's opinions, you can eat the food. Of course, you still have to smell. That's kind of important. Otherwise, it's your life, right? But probably just your stomach pissed off. But anyway, you get the point. So that's the extra thing we haven't built. So now you will just see an extra expire date, but you will see how many days over it is. It's not ready, but you will still see what we mean. Great.
Yeah, I can add only that like actually what you see is worse than what is under the hood, because actually the code for the backend is really good. We already have a database up, and it's good under the hood. It doesn't look how we wanted to. Like we didn't reach like the point we wanted to, but so the group here in Gothenburg is me, Francesco, and then we have Lisa, Gustav,
Niklas,
and then Oliver it's back there, and then what was the other guy's name?
Felix.
Yeah,
New friends from your...
No, Holger, we had her also. Yeah, and then Marisa in Stockholm.
Marisa in Stockholm, of course, sorry.
And,
yeah.
Bruno and Thomas was part of... We were collecting some products to populate.
Yeah.
And we were big. Yeah, we were many, but we had also some issues.
Yeah, it was a big group, so that's even why we had a lot of time to organize, but it was nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. It was nice to try out Ruby.
Great stuff. Awesome. Any plans for the future? What do you think?
I think that, as I was saying before, like they did a really good job to set it up again in the back end. So the structure is there, and then you can add like other values or other tables for the database and whatever you want to add to the application. Of course, we probably, one of the biggest thing is creating a database with a lot of products to be referenced to, because that's probably going to be really.
Yeah, we tested to search for that. We have a barcode idea, and we tested to search for it in the API, and it works. It's just not presented here, but in the CLI version, it does fetch a product, adds it to the database. It is not there and stuff like that.
All right, and what API are you guys using?
It's called the DABAS.
It's the DABAS API. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
That's good, because I mean they have most of the Swedish products, right?
Yeah, they
Not
have
all of them.
around 35,000 products.
Yeah.
But not for Pepsi.
Oh, not your Pepsi. Oh, there you go. All right. So okay. All right. That's a lovely idea. I think it's well executed for a team like that. I know that you guys had a lot of discussions and you were bouncing off a lot of ideas. And I think part of the process and part of having fun is actually to do this brainstorming thing. So
yeah, there was a lot more ideas.
Yeah.
But,
again, good both even from the team, because you're really good. Awesome. All right. Thank you very much for this. Let's wait for the presentation from Stockholm. I guess you guys are gonna present soon, right? Or what's up?
What's up?
Yeah. Show me the code.
Yeah, exactly.
It's called Dunish CA1 on GitHub.
Sorry?
CA1.
Are you ready?
No, we've just put the code in.
Yeah, but do set up a separate hangout for this.